Let's look at Agnihotra fire technology and its environmental purification aspects. It's a fascinating subject. So, Agnihotra, originating from ancient Vedic traditions, is a beautiful practice that involves the precise timing of offerings into a specially prepared fire. It's not just a ritual, it's a science that has profound effects not only on the individual performing it but also on the environment around. Let's dive into the environmental purification aspect. Agnihotra fire is known to produce a unique blend of energies through the combustion of specific organic substances and ingredients. These materials, when burned at the exact time of sunrise and sunset, release a spectrum of beneficial elements into the atmosphere. Firstly, the Agnihotra fire generates a balance of positive and negative ions, which helps in neutralizing the atmosphere. This ionization process contributes to purifying the air, making it fresher and more conducive to health. Then there's the emission of certain gases during Agnihotra, such as carbon dioxide and oxygen, which are balanced in a way that supports plant life. The ash produced from the fire contains various micronutrients and trace elements that serve as excellent fertilizers for soil when dispersed after the ritual. Moreover, the timing of Agnihotra corresponds with the Earth's natural biorhythms, tapping into the subtle energies that are most conducive to purification and harmonization. This synchronization with nature's rhythms amplifies its effectiveness in cleansing the environment. Another intriguing aspect is the sound vibrations produced during the chanting that accompanies the ritual. These vibrations are said to have a harmonizing effect on the environment, influencing not just the immediate vicinity but also resonating across larger areas. Furthermore, Agnihotra is often performed in specially designed copper vessels or pyramids, which are believed to enhance the energetic properties of the fire and its purifying effects. Overall, Agnihotra fire technology isn't just about spiritual or personal benefits, it's a holistic practice that extends its positive influence to the environment by bringing rain, overcoming air pollution, and contributing to cleaner air, healthier soil, and a more balanced ecosystem. It's truly remarkable how an ancient tradition can offer such profound insights into environmental purification.